A MongoDB is a document and NoSQL database platform. So, to understand the MongoDB, you must know what is the meaning of the database and the meaning of document and NoSQL database. Database is a way to store and retrieve the information in a computer in an organized way. So during the evolution of the life, many databases have been produced. But for better understanding of a MongoDB, you must know the difference between the SQL and NoSQL database. The SQL is a way to store the information in a computer as a tables, and the most important thing is making a relationship between them. For example, we assume we have students table and college table. So, by making a relationship between them, we will have a new table that contains a student name and his college name that he belongs to it. The NoSQL and documents database is a way to store the information in a computer as a documents without need to make a relationship between them, not like the SQL database. For example, we assume we have a student name and his college name can be stored as a one field as an object in a specific document, and that is the mechanism of the MongoDB. So at the end, you should know that the MongoDB is NoSQL and document database without tables and relationships. For more details, check the description for the source links, and don't forget like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.